Whittaker Brothers since 1945.
Hi, I'm Kyle Mitchell with Whittaker Brothers, and a lot of times we get asked, what is an NSA test and why does it exist? The reason being is because shredders are manufactured and distributed all throughout the world. And here in the United States, we're used to standard 20-pound bond paper, but a lot of these shredders are tested over in Germany, so that's how they get their standard rating. So that's why you may see a shredder that says it can take maybe 25 sheets, but when you actually try to use it here in the United States, you find you only get 20. That's because of a variance in paper weights. So the NSA got together and they decided that all these shredders, not only do they need to be approved to create a very small particle size, which you can see right here. Come on in a little closer, you can take a look. This is level 6 P7 high security, 1 millimeter by 5 millimeter or less. They need to have a list of certified shredders that actually did this. And in the earlier days of this being available, that was actually kind of hard to find. They had a number of shredders that would produce that particle size, but they would break after about 10 minutes of use. So the NSA created the 1-hour durability test. That is where they literally run as much paper as humanly possible through a shredder and see exactly what it will really do here using United States paper. So the process, it used to be the NSA would actually come to us and go through the testing process on site. We would get to watch it and they would run it through as quickly as possible. They don't do that anymore. They have to ship the equipment to them, save a little money on transit costs, but they have to know what we think the shredder will do. And that's why we do our own NSA testing here at Whittaker Brothers. So the process isn't exactly as glamorous as you might think it is. We literally separate as many reams of paper as we think will be necessary. We divide it up by the number of sheets of paper that the actual shredder will take, and we make it so that you can feed it as rapid fire as possible. Why? Well, because we want these shredders to be rated as high as possible. So we're going to do a little bit of an NSA test on this shredder right here. We're only going to run maybe 10 or 15 sets through it, but give you an idea of exactly what these tests are like. And again, this isn't really a high-tech process. This is just how it works. So would you mind joining me? So we're going to turn this shredder on. All right, I'm going to get a piece at the ready. My partner's going to get a piece at the ready. And we're going to go rapid fire as quickly as possible. Okay, go ahead. There we go, big waste of paper, isn't it? But that's how they test it, and as long as the machine will go for 1 hour, then however many sheets of paper we put in there, plus however many reams of paper that equaled, becomes the NSA test results. So for example, this shredder may be tested at 10 sheets of paper at a time, 26 reams in an hour, so that is its NSA rating. 10 pieces of paper, 10 sheets per pass, 26 reams per hour. And that's how the NSA gets its rating. It starts with us challenging the machine as much as possible, and it ends with the NSA verifying our results. So my name's Kyle Mitchell with Whittaker Brothers. Thanks for watching.
For sales, service, and support, visit whittakerbrothers.com. If you have any questions about this product, you can check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or post a comment below.